birthday. I think so. We should be creative because it sounds so boring saying happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. So let's learn some wishes in French. Because you have that French student right in front of you, so we will learn best wishes in French to grab that attention of your audience and of course to the person you are sending. So let's be creative, let's be different, and let's start with the best wishes in French with Aditi, of course. Okay, starting with the very first one, it's happy birthday in French. We say it as joyeux anniversaire, joyeux anniversaire, joyeux anniversaire. Now you say joyeux anniversaire. Then the second way of saying happy birthday is bon anniversaire, bon anniversaire, bon anniversaire. Now you say bon anniversaire. We actually combine a vowel and a consonant and it becomes one. Bon anniversaire, bon anniversaire. Now, how to say Happy New Year in French? We say bonne année, bonne année, bonne année. Now you say bonne année. Now, how to say congratulations in French? We say félicitations, félicitations, félicitations. Now you say félicitations. Now, how to say all the best? We say bon courage, bon courage, bon courage. All the best is bon courage. Now you say bon courage. Now it's good luck. How to say good luck in French? We say bonne chance, bonne chance, bonne chance. Now you say bonne chance. Now, how to say have a good trip? We say bon voyage, bon voyage. You might have seen a lot of people writing bon voyage, but what it actually means? It means have a good trip. Bon voyage. Now you say bon voyage. How to say best wishes in French? We say meilleurs vœux, meilleurs vœux, meilleurs vœux. Now you say meilleurs vœux, meilleurs vœux. Perfect. Now, how to say Merry Christmas? We say Joyeux Noël, Joyeux Noël, Joyeux Noël. Now you say Joyeux Noël. Perfect. Now, how to say enjoy your meal? We say Bon appétit, Bon appétit, Bon appétit. Now you say Bon appétit. Perfect. We are done with the best wishes in French. I hope you liked it. And the next time you see any such occasion, just say it in French. It will be different and you will be a bit creative. So, I hope you liked it. Just share, like, comment, and you can follow my Instagram page as well with the name Let's Learn French 1, and you will get many reels, some vocabulary there. Just go and watch it. Bye.